Well, my name is Mohammed Hamid Sajid from AML department. In this video, we are going to discuss how to perform k-mean clustering to segregate customer based on the given data in the form of optimal clusters with live examples. We'll get to know all the required process in detail, success, how to understand the data, performing the elbow method to find the optimal number of clusters, training the model, plotting the clusters, etc. Okay, let's present this topic. So so in this problem, our main goal is to understand the data, perform elbow method to find optimal number of clusters. Number three, training a model using unsupervised learning. Number four, plotting the clusters. First of all, we need to understand the data. Import the necessary library is must required. Check for the null values. If it contains means it will benefit for us. Not null values. Preparing data for clustering. Now let's move on to k-means clustering. This is our experiment number 8, k-mean clustering. I already worked for this video preparation. We need to first of all we need to understand the data means we need to import the necessary libraries first. Import pandas as PD. Pandas is used for data analysis. Pandas allows importing files from various file formats, like example Excel, Google Sheet, like etc. etc. Pandas do manipulation operations such as merging, reshaping, selecting, as well as data planning. Import NumPy as NP. NumPy is used for complex mathematics problems. Matplotlib and Seaborn is used for data visualization, as we see later. Now we need to read the file. We imported the file mall customers from the given dataset mall customer. We read the copy the path and we read the data. Import file and read the data. And next we print print the first 10 df head means print the first 10 data contained in the data set. In this data, let's look into see there is a 5 column and how I doesn't know how many rows is present in that. Customer ID, gender, age, annual income, spending score. So our target is for annual income and spending score, I guess. Yeah. Next, if we put this command df.shape, it will shows how many rows and columns present in the mall customer data. There is 200 rows, 5 columns. Next, data info. Data info command display the brief information of our data, which include, I already said the not null values, not null value, whether there is present not null or not. And also it contains the data types, whether it's integer or float or any object is a category like this. Here we can see only integer and the gender column gender contains categorical value object. Hmm. We can see the memory usage, the data types as said previously. Now we need to perform the data. We need to use this command ilog, which means ilog is used for to segregate data from the given data set. Our target is to separate the row, column 3 and 4 means annual income and spending score. So we need to separate these columns from the given data mall customer data set. Hmm. If we separate and we call it as it displays the data contains in the annual income and the spending score in the form of array. Let's see this. Okay. Next, we are going to the next. Yeah, we now finish the understanding the data, how the data set is look like this. Next, we are going to perform the elbow method to find the optimal number of clusters. Elbow method is mainly used for to determine optimal value of k. Using k-mean clustering to iterate from 1 to level clusters and plotting a elbow plot, deciding optimal number of clusters to be used. This are we need to see now. We need to k-mean coming to k-mean clustering is an unsupervised learning algorithm which group the dataset into different clusters. K define the number of clusters. If k is equal to 1, the number of clusters is equal to 1. If k is equal to 2, the number of clusters is equal to 2. Come back to from sklearn dot cluster import k means WCSS means within cluster sum of square. It put it as blank bracket. If if WCSS increase means the k value should be equal to 1. If k values is increases means WCSS will automatically decrease. Hmm. As see for we need to in the second training data we need to for the clusters as we see in this um, presentation using k-mean to iterate from 1 to level cluster and plotting a elbow plot. Mm, we include the it means k means plus plus random string means data will not be choose randomly, it will fixed fit into this upon k mean dot inertia is the formula for the convert the data into clusters. We assume the clusters within the range of 1 to 11. Let's let's use the scatter plot range from this. Look into this elbow method. We see the number of clusters from 1 to 3 will decreases and slope from 4 to 5 and after 5 it will splash it. So the number of clusters will start beyond this is 5. Now the k-means models we look into. Let's go to the last topic of this content. This is our last topic, training the model use unsupervised learning algorithm. Initializing our k-means model with selected optimal number of clusters, plot of number of clusters and gain institute regression regarding our customers. When we came in small and random state and fit the data into Y model, then we need to use the scatter plot. As usually, X label, Y label title will be given as clusters of customers. X label spending score, Y label spending score, S label annual income. Scatter the plots of the five range of customers for customer. This implies that this is our data. In this scatter plot, this is the people whose annual income is less, but their spending is high. And look into this set of clusters. These people annual income is high, but their spending is low. And look into these people, and there are moderate. They get a good level of annual income, and they spend good amount. They matter. So the company target this kind of customers to improve their products. Okay, well, let's I hope I think I will explain about this topic. Um, okay, guys, let's end up this section. Let's see in upcoming video any other topic. Okay.